Hiking is a great way to explore nature, exercise, and have fun. But before you hit the trails, you need to make sure you have the right gear to keep you safe and comfortable. In this video, we will introduce you to the 5 must-have hiking gear essentials that you should never leave home without. Let's begin with some rugged and practical smartwatches to keep you on the right track. The Amazfit T-Rex 2 inherits the rugged legacy of its predecessor, the T-Rex Pro, a robust smartwatch that has proven its mettle over the years. Both find a well-deserved spot on this list, showcasing Amazfit's prowess in creating durable outdoor companions. Despite its plastic composition, echoing the T-Rex Pro, the T-Rex 2 maintains a resilient profile and a surprisingly light 2.3 ounces. While some design choices, like the logo-laden case, may not align with formal aesthetics, but this one's constructed with resilience in mind. The T-Rex 2's plastic build belies its ability to withstand the rigors of the great outdoors. Its MILSTD 810G certification and shockproof capabilities make it a reliable choice for adventurers navigating diverse terrains. Key improvements in appearance, screen size, and software enhance the T-Rex 2's functionality. The display, though lacking Gorilla Glass or Sapphire protection, introduces a touchscreen with side buttons for glove-friendly operation, catering to outdoor enthusiasts. With a 10 ATM water protection rating, the T-Rex 2 offers waterproofing up to 300 feet, and a suite of sensors, including a barometer and gyroscope, ensures comprehensive outdoor activity tracking. The AMOLED display grows to 1.39 inches with 454 by 454 pixels, featuring adaptive brightness for optimal indoor and outdoor visibility. Fitness tracking excels with accurate PAI measurements, workout tracking apps, and a commendable 2-week battery life from its 500 mAh capacity. While lacking Wi-Fi and call answering capabilities, the Amazfit T-Rex 2 emerges as a stalwart companion for outdoor enthusiasts seeking durability and functionality in a smartwatch. Up next, we have another one from Amazfit called the Active Edge. Now this is more budget-friendly than the T-Rex 2, and it's for those who seek the pulse of urban adventures. With a bold, dual-tone design, this smartwatch is built to withstand the wear and tear of an active city lifestyle, embodying the spirit of those who seek excitement in every moment. Navigating the cityscape becomes a seamless experience with Active Edge's robust GPS tracking, supported by 5 satellite positioning systems. Whether you're exploring uncharted alleys or importing route files for precise navigation, this smartwatch ensures you stay on track with incredible precision. Active Edge also boasts an impressive 16-day battery life and is water-resistant up to 100 meters, making it ideal for gym workouts and everyday commutes. Stay one step ahead of the competition, elevating your fitness game with cutting-edge training strategies. Besides, the strength training mode can auto-detect 25 exercises, tracking reps, sets, and rest time. It surpasses any gym buddy, providing a detailed workout log for a comprehensive fitness journey.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Now let's talk about some other gear essentials. Next, the Nemo Hornet Elite Osmo is the ultimate tent for extreme minimalists, offering exceptional performance and reduced environmental impact. It features Nemo's new proprietary Osmo fabric, which provides 4 times better water repellency and 3 times less stretch when wet compared to traditional fabrics. What sets it apart is that the Osmo fabric is made from 100% recycled yarns, free from any PFAS, making it a more sustainable choice. Designed for weight savings and performance enhancement, every detail of the Hornet Elite Osmo has been meticulously examined. It utilizes top-shelf DAC Featherlight poles for optimal strength and lightness. The stitching cords and webbing are all optimized for weight reduction without compromising durability. The tent includes innovative features such as the Nightlight Pocket Headlamp Diffuser, which provides a warm glow at night without adding extra weight. The patent-pending Flybar Volumizing Pole Clip increases headroom without adding unnecessary ounces. Introducing Buddie, the game-changing power bank that revolutionizes your backpacking experience. With Buddie by your side, you can bid farewell to dead batteries and lost connections on the trail. Its compact and lightweight design makes it the ideal companion to keep your devices charged without adding extra weight to your pack. Equipped with a powerful 5,000 mAh capacity, Buddie can easily charge most smartphones, ensuring you stay connected even in the remotest of locations. But that's not all. Buddie boasts an impressive 20-watt fast-charging PD capability. This means your devices will be recharged quickly and efficiently, allowing you to spend more time hiking and less time waiting for your gadgets to power up. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker or just starting out, Buddie is the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. MSR PocketRocket 2 Ultralight Stove is a compact and high-performance stove designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the PocketRocket 2 is even smaller and lighter, while delivering impressive boiling capabilities. With its efficient design, this stove can boil a liter of water in just 3.5 minutes, ensuring you can quickly prepare meals and hot beverages on the trail. Weighing a mere 2.6 ounces, it is exceptionally lightweight, making it an ideal choice for those seeking to minimize pack weight. The pot supports of the PocketRocket 2 are designed to fold down, reducing the stove's overall pack size and enhancing its portability. Constructed from durable stainless steel, the improved pot supports offer better stability and can accommodate a wider range of pot sizes. To combat windy conditions, the stove features a wind clip windscreen on the burner head, allowing it to remain lit and maintain optimal performance. The burner surface is divided into 3 sectors, reducing fuel waste in case the wind extinguishes 1 or 2 sectors. So, that was our list of 5 must-have hiking gear essentials. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website goutdoorzone.com.